Kung meron kang 19 million ngayon, paano mo siya gagasusin? Paano mo siya hati-hatiin? So si Alex Ayala finished in the top 4 in the semifinals. She's already assured of $332,160. Alright? So, or approximately 19 million pesos. And again, saludo tayo kay Alex. She already broke the top 100 of women's tennis. Natutuwa nga ako dito sa congratulatory message ng AIA, no? From unseeded to undeniable. Talagang nakakatuwa naman, no? So, kasi nga, no, marami sa atin, hindi kilala siguro si Alex, no? Hindi nagko-follow ng tennis, and she's been playing for, at the start hanggang mula 8 years old. Alright? So, for 11, 12 years already. No? And ngayon, no, so isa na siya sa mga heroes ng Philippines. So, ang tanong, kung ikaw may 19 million, paano mo siya hati-hatiin? So one of the basic personal finance, yung 10-20-70 method, 10% you tithes, no? You give back to the church, you give back to God. Sabi nga ni Bo Sanchez, if I remember it right, God is the perfect business partner. Ang hinihiling niya lang 10%. And then you will be blessed 1,000 folds. And then 20%, you put 20% sa savings or investment. So I hope hindi niya lang to i-save, kung hindi, i-invest niya yung 20%. And then the remaining 70% sa basic needs. So now, bata pa naman si Alex, 19 years old pa lang siya. So most likely, bibigyan niya to sa magulang niya. And for sure, sa 11, 12 years niya ng pagtutour abroad din, malaki na rin malamang na gastos nila. Siguro about 10 million na rin. So kalahati nitong amount na to. So probably if I were her, at the very least talaga, I'm sure at least 50% of those earnings, i-reinvest niya sa kanyang training. Mapakahaba pa ng career niya, kailangan niya talagang mag-train more and all. And probably siguro, no, so not the whole 70% gastusin niya. I would probably enjoy 10%. Sabi ni T. Harv Eker, dapat may play account ka na 10%. So 10%, around 1.9 million. I'll spend, travel and all, just enjoy. And no, dun sa 20% ko, kung ako siya, yung 20% ko, yung 3.8 million, siguro 1.9 or 2 million doon ilalagay ko sa parang sa investment that could earn passively. Sa CAIA, meron example yung Money Tree na invested sa Global Dynamic Income Paying Fund na just like ito lang March 28, it has delivered 5.15 annualized dividend. Quarterly nagbabayad ito. So 5% ng 2 million will be 100,000 every year. So i-park mo yung 2 million mo doon, and then yung 100,000 every year, pwede mong gastusin for whatever purpose that you want. Bili ka ng bag, i-travel mo, i-enjoy mo, reinvest mo, pambayad mo na whatever binibili mo, like bili ka ng condo or property. That's how I would use it. So, how about you? Share mo sa akin kung paano mo gagamitin yung prize money.